Brian here from quantlabs.net. We are on still the march to our high-frequency trading platform. Some other takeaways from a past meetup I've had with somebody who's highly experienced in this stuff regarding high-frequency trading platforms and trading, how these systems should be built. One other takeaway I can tell you is APIs are a bottleneck, and it was recommended to work with streaming. So with streaming in mind, obviously a very good option, regardless of what network you go with. I mean, on a high-end or professional broker, we'll just leave it at that, however you want to define it, is to use FIx. Now, what you're looking at is a C++ library. Again, I'll remember C++, called FIx8. And I built this thing. I'm just going to show you it. I've got instructions on how to build it, and I posted that on my website at quantlabs.net. So what we're going to do is, I just want to give you a little rundown on this. You just download your tarball. I'm using Debian. It probably may work on Ubuntu, but I just have supported it from Ubuntu into Debian. It's just a cleaner, better distribution for Linux. I just find too many bugs. It's just counterproductive to work with Ubuntu. But here is the highlights of what this library does for FIx8. It is built on QuickFix, which is pretty well a standard open source Fix library out there. But this is pretty cool. The problem was just to build it was just a real badge, and I've got it built. I just don't know how to use it yet. But I just wanted to let people know about it. Obviously, it's high performance, and again, it only runs on Linux. Sorry, Windows users. This is how it is in the world of high-frequency trading, usually. So, yeah, so we got Fix. So if I'm going to use interactive brokers, let's say, there is two options with the Fix. If you come under, obviously, interactive brokers. Now, I haven't confirmed this yet, but Fix can be connected, or you can connect into interactive brokers using Fix. It might be the better way to do it, but it's really for advanced users. The other option I have shown and highlighted is using the TWS, the trading workstation software. You can connect through that. That's not a problem. But the Fix with a Fix session is another option. It might be more, it just has more advantages. It's more stable. And I should say more stable, but it just enables you to get things faster. And this is maybe, I'm not saying it is or it isn't. This might be a good option. I haven't played with it enough yet to confirm that, but I'm looking at it. I'm just exploring the different options that are available. So Fix is something really good. This is something really interesting to play with, and again, you get the open source with the C++. So if I dive into my virtual machine in Linux, this is Debian, using obviously VirtualBox. So right now I have my the FIx8 working, okay, but there's a number of challenges I came across. Let me just walk you through, once you build FIx8, what you get. From my understanding, again, I have not figured it out yet, but if you come under, I believe it's under testing, yeah, or test, you should get some bin files that you can use to test your connection. Now, you can use this Fix as a server as well, and I'm still trying to understand that. But from my understanding, you have these two bin files, HFTest, and the harness, and the F8 test as well. And I haven't figured it out yet, but I got it to the point to build, and that was in itself a challenge. So let me show you what we got. Okay. Alright, so if I come under my Quant Labs, I'll just show you the posting I'm referring to that shows you how to build the FIx8. Let me just do a search on it. It's probably the easiest way for anybody looking for it. And I'll show you what the steps were, because there's some interesting steps, but I can show you one in the meantime. Under here you'll be told to run configure first. That may not work. I'll show you why. And then there's also bootstrap. Typically FIx8, this is the one right here. Okay, so FIx8, or I'm sorry, back in my VM, you're going to be instructed to run this configure script or executable or whatever. I think it's a script. But you may run into errors. Run this bootstrap first, and then run the configure, and that will get you started. I've highlighted all that in this posting right here. Okay, so I've highlighted that. Run bootstrap before the configure. And note that the before you do the build, is that the FIx8 needs two dependencies, TBB, Poco. Eventually this will be taken out, this Berkley DB. I'm not a fan of it. It's really cumbersome to work with, really old school stuff. TBB, that's threading. Poco, I'm not sure what that does yet. I've just been too busy trying to get stuff working. But in order to get these packages installed, just do these three commands on your command line. Alright, to install them. And then you will see a bunch of different links. This one is the one you'll need to focus on mostly, just due to the fact of building the Berkley from scratch is not an easy task. And during the make process, you will get this weird switch on your compiler. I've removed it, so all my make files have no reference to this switch on the compiler on the GCC. So I've taken that out. And then there's another trick as well, and it just depends upon the version of FIx8 that you're running at this point in watching this video. But if you come under the blog, I'm using this 0.063. okay, under here 0.63, you'll notice that he is now allowing you to remove Berkley DB as a dependency. So I made that change in this file to create persistence, or sorry, in this per configuration CPP. And I've removed it, and it's just using only the memory type instead of Berkley DB. You'll see that in the source code, so that's something else you need to be on a lookout for. Once you get past all that, you can then build successfully your or make your FIx8, and it seems to work okay. Well, at least as far as I can tell. You can proceed using a Fix engine, again open source, for your platform. Because when you look at some of the other options, if I look up some of the other things like on a Fix C++, you'll see here there's very little information on it. But what you will get are, I mentioned the quick fast. I wouldn't really use that. You're better off to use the FIx8 on top of FIx8, because FIx8 uses quick fix. Alright, I guess maybe you're confused. Quick fix, not quick fast, is used as part of the FIx8 package. Okay, here's some of the other options that you may see here. This Onyx S Biz for your Fix. I played with this. This is a very good product, but it's very, 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 very expensive. If you have kids that you would like to sell to afford it, be my guest. I wouldn't. I just couldn't see myself using it. There's some big advantages using these type of APIs. And there's this B2 bits as well, and there's a few other ones like that. I think you can do it on an open source model as well. But again, the advantages with these type of solutions is that they're proven. They're mature, and they work. I mean, and you get the support. But again, I think that this one is $1,800 per month. Yeah, you lease it. I don't know about this B2 bits one. There's another one I've seen with an API options for your different networks, Arca, DirectEdge, all that. They're about 5,000 a piece. So this little project, FIx8, can save you thousands of dollars, and that's what I'm planning to build into my platform. Just so everybody knows about this project, FIx8. It looks good. Just got to figure out how to use it. Other than that, over and out.